Yeastar P-Series Software Edition can now be installed on OVHcloud, which makes it possible for you to easily create a virtual machine on your OVH platform and host your phone system on it. In this video, we will explain step by step how to realize the deployment. If you need a manual, you can also go to the description of the video to download it. Firstly, we need to create a virtual machine instance on OVHcloud. Log into OVHcloud control panel and click on Public Cloud tab. Then click on Create a new project. Name this project and confirm the agreement to continue. Then you need to confirm your payment method. And when you're done, click on Create My Project. Now we can start to set up our instance. Click on Instances and then Create an instance. Now in Select a Model, we choose General Type. Then we need to specify the capacity of our instance. This is related to the future cost generated by the usage of our phone system. So you need to choose a proper one based on the extension and concurrent cost quantity for the phone system. Please make your decision based on this form. Then click on Next. Now you need to choose a region. Go for the one that is the closest to you. And for the next step, select an image. Here you go to Unix distributions. We support both Ubuntu 20.04 and Debian 12. You can choose the one you prefer. Then in SSH key, click on Add a key, and then name it and confirm. Now name the instance. For the next step, you need to configure your network. You can select between private mode and public mode. The phone system runs on both modes. You can make your decision based on the description to see which one suits you better. Then click on Next. You can select a billing period that you want and hit on Create an instance. Wait for a while, the instance will be added. You can check the status, refresh it until it becomes enabled. Now you can choose the newly created instance. In the dashboard, go to Networks and note down the login info, which will be needed for later. To continue, you need to change the root password of the instance. Open the terminal on Linux server and run the noted login information on it. Enter SSH-P22 with the login information to get connection to the instance, and then change the root password as shown. Please also note down the new password. It is needed to complete this installation of the PBX. Now get back to the OVHcloud. Select the VNC console and access this instance with root and the new password from previous step. Then you need to run the following command one by one to install the PBX on the instance. After a while, the PBX will be installed. You can go to the dashboard and the networks, find IP version 4 to get the IP address of the PBX. Log in for the very first time. Alright, this is how we install the P-Series PBX Software Edition on OVHcloud platform. If you need to know how to do first-time setting on the PBX, well, you can go to the description to find our manual. Hope you guys like this one, and I will catch you guys in the next one.